Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading out to Sacramento, and today is the day that we pick up the truck. Today is the day that we finally bring the truck home, but that's not the only thing we get into today. We're also going to be dropping off the notchback at the body shop in Sacramento, and we're going to be getting this thing sprayed, cleaned up, and all done. I know what y'all thinking. Y'all like, bruh, you only had the notchback back for about 3 days or so. But yeah, the reason why I pulled the notchback from the body shop is because I wanted to make Sac Speed Shop's California Classic Car Show, and it was only right that I bring out the notchback, since that is kind of like my most American classic car that I have currently. But yeah, with all that being said, that's why we pulled it from the body shop. Also, you guys know that Jesse doesn't really have time to spray it. There's issues going on with the city, etc., to where he just doesn't have the time to do it at the moment. So he recommended one of his boys to, that he trusts to basically spray over his body work. Ooh, little baby, about to get some paint where it ain't. Get some paint where it ain't. Make sure the hood is down. About to get some paint where it ain't. Can't wait to see this thing all painted with the color that I got picked out. Also, we got the tires here for the E30, so I can finally get my wheels and everything mounted, but we'll probably do that tomorrow or something. So let's clear out some room, that way we can get the notch out. I'm at like half a tank or so right now, a little above a half a tank, but I'd rather just get something while I'm out this way versus trying to find an E85 station out there. Not sure where one at. This thing be kicking loose, baby. Crazy because this car isn't like, it's not mucho overpowered, it's like super conservative, it's safe, but this is like, honestly, the car, I'm just like, I don't care how much power it makes dope sounds, it has enough power to break the tires loose, it runs good, it's been reliable. Like, I really don't care. Like, I know we have a lot of power left on the table. We're literally at 21 degrees of timing. These things like about 27 or so degrees. We're only on like 11 pounds of boost. Like, there's a lot to go, but I'm just like, man, it's running, it's cool. You know, it's just the classic, it's just the fun. I could jump in and go wherever type car. But yeah, we had to add a little bit more time and have everything optimal. And yeah, I'm not saying max it out, put it at 27 degrees, but you know, throw an extra 4 degrees of timing and it will probably pick up like an extra 30, possibly 40 horsepower. You never know. Just to get it closer to that sweet spot where the motor is happy on timing. Like, I'd rather make power with timing than to make more power with boost. Alright, so before we go to Cody's, since the body shop is before Cody's shop, we're gonna go drop the notch off first, and then we'll probably have Cody come pick me up. I think he's driving my truck right now or some shit, like he's test driving or something, so I think he'll be able to swoop me. So this spot is like tucked away. It's a nice little spot too. Ooh, look at that. But yeah, it's like a little gated community. Can't even get in here. They got guards and stuff. It's like a whole like factory or something. All right, so just getting to the body shop. This is the man that's gonna be doing the work right here. It's Jesse's boy. It's cracking. Said 3 weeks, right?
I said 4.
4. So I got out and checked. So I was like, man, this thing is running way hotter than normal. And fucking this fan took a shit. Look at that. Ooh, boy, this motherfucker is fucked. Like the motor completely broke. This one's good. So right now we're running on 1 fan. That's why the temps were getting hot in traffic. That's crazy. This thing's stupid broke. Like the blade came all the way off of it. So these should be under warranty still. I'm gonna hit them up, see if I can get them to give me some new ones. But I mean, it's gonna be at the body shop for the next month anyway, so. All right, so we kind of just got done talking about kind of what the plan is for this thing. Body work's all straight and all that, so we ain't got really much body work to do. Let's go in here and check out the shop real quick, see what's all in here, and then we're gonna be off to go grab the truck. Big ass building in here. What's up? How you doing?
This is all my old spot.
It's just huge. Ooh, old schools. It's all your stuff right here?
My little spot right here, yep. The one that's getting it prepped and final.
LS2?
LS2, yeah.
Yep.
LS2.
Final stages, little cut and buff. It's good to see like most of the stuff's all covered if it ain't getting worked on.
Yeah. It's the best way to do it.
And it's hella old schools. Anytime you see a lot of old schools in the shop, then you know.
Oh, yeah.
It's my Uber?
Huh?
It's my Uber?
Your Uber got a homeless guy to pick up?
Oh, get out the way.
Lost.
We can't even hear from down here. Sounds pretty good. All right, my boy, you got all the keys and everything?
Yep. Cool, man.
So, oh, let me grab my box.
Oh, shit.
My battery thing. Me truck.
Whoa, chips!
Me truck.
Get your baby back.
Drop one off, pick one up.
Yep. Your turbo makes 0 noise, by the way.
I know, this
Zero noise.
this T51R mod from Pulsar is trash. Yeah.
It don't work.
It don't. It's all hype. You
Yep.
just pay extra for it and it don't do shit.
I have to shine the old girl up just for today. So I had to make sure she was spit shine. So I
Stupid.
spit all over it. I said, yeah. He goes, oh, okay.
I hear it a little bit. This turbo thing sucks.
It makes no noise.
That's garbage.
That was 6 pounds, by the way. That's all we knew.
What a waste.
Yep. Comes on.
All right, so we just getting here to the alignment shop right now. Truck's all nice and smooth. Only thing I'm disappointed about is how quiet this turbo is. So yeah, this thing is quiet, man. You guys know that when you order a Pulsar turbo, you got the $300 option to do the sound mod. And guess what? It makes no sound. This is 2 for 2. I thought maybe it didn't make sound on the Foxbody because it was the characteristics, and I was like, all right. Upgraded when bought this housing, extra $300, and guess what? It makes no sound. Yeah, I wasted $600 on 2 housings. Plus, you still got to calculate shipping and taxes, and it makes no sound, man. If you want a real T51R mod, you want the sound, hit up OCD Works, bruh. Just hit OCD Works up. Have them do your T51R mod. I promise you, your shit'll sound like my FD. Sound like a Jet. Sound like my SC. What else I have a T51R on? I don't know. Anything I've ever had a T51R mod on. Yeah. This one's poo-poo. Why you got the intake on? You gonna suck up rocks and stuff.
No, we good. So everything's running smooth, looking good. So
It does look
pleased
good.
with it. So took long enough that I shouldn't have had any issues, and I had
Shut
no
up.
issues.
We ain't gonna talk about that. So. We're past that.
Ooh, you flinching.
Get the driver home today.
Yep. Putter all the way home.
Oh, bruh. Where the boat at, bruh?
What boat?
It's a boat that go there.
Man, we NASA right here, okay? We in NASA.
Come on.
Here, hold on. Let me just pull that one out of here real quick.
We start swapping them.
One thing I can say is
That turbo sucks.
yeah. I was gonna be positive about it, but yeah, this turbo is pretty much trash.
Oh yeah, we got the grill and everything. Well, the turbo itself isn't trash.
Yeah.
The turbo works. The turbo is gonna do all kind of work.
I had to cut it out, but I made it work. So
The blow off valve's gonna blow the light out.
it's pretty loud. I mean,
Oh no, when you were pulling up, I was like,
Yeah.
ooh, sounds good.
yeah. It's just you hear
Look,
nothing.
all hit it right behind there.
Yep.
I know if we had the we'd be winning.
Yep.
Fuck it, I'm gonna send this housing off and go get the OCD Works housing. I'm gonna have them.
Yep.
Can you delete this T51R mod and give me you guys' T51R mod,
Right. That's all it needs.
or send the other housing out?
I would send the other housing out and just keep this one.
Then have you welded back up?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna have two T51R houses, and this one sucks. What I'm gonna do with this one? It's a paperweight. I can use it to chalk my tires, so it don't roll back in the
You'll
driveway.
be fine. You'll be okay.
It's the only way I get my money back. And then I got a flat tire.
Oh, it's way over there. Oh, look, it's a lineman shop with SRs. Old school shit right here. It's my peoples. We got an SR. We got the Evo. We got the RB. Look at that, RB25. Okay. Thought this was just a lineman shop. Guess I was completely wrong about that. VQ swap 240. Even though I hate VQs to death, I still appreciate the swap. Anything is better than a single cam or dual cam KA. Some old school stuff here. Then we got the La Traca, the Turborado. Ooh, the Vert. Got the SR. I like this. So, bro, hands a little wet.
It's all good.
Just watching them. Cool. Assembly.
Rebuild on this one.
RB25.
No, it's RB20.
20.
Yep. Low compression. Probably just oil starvation or something.
RB problems.
You got it pretty hot. It wasn't like an overheating hot, but it's like an oil consumption hot.
All right, here we go. All done. Alignment's all situated. So now we off. All right, so we got gas in this thing now.
Good oil pressure.
Extra $100 and 91 gas.
That's okay.
So hopefully last tank of 91 we'll ever need in life.
This thing actually gets really good mileage.
So you already know, gotta stop at my boys. So we doing like something special. We're trying it's like the keto bowl.
Hey, people are ready for the Mike tacos.
Man,
should we tell them?
Come on, where they at, bro? It's like,
Should we tell them what we got planned for you?
oh yeah, go ahead. You can tell them.
So guys, expect it coming up pretty soon. Mike Mike's getting his first commercial at Booty Boys.
And they're gonna
First
be called,
official.
and they're gonna be Mike Tacos.
Yes, the Mike tacos will change your life, and it's car related too.
So sneak peek of what it is. It's sort of like a little keto bowl with bidya meat, like spicy pork and whatever else we put in here. All right, so we're just getting back to Cody's shop, and next on the list is he's gonna be bleeding the brakes. And I think after that we good. We good to drive home. All right, intake back on. So now we gotta worry about sucking in no rocks, zip tying the fucking whatchamacallit Jagger thing. It's the vacuum line to the boost controller. Shut up! Don't even start getting technical. I want to call it the thingamajagger.
I was gonna call it the turn up boosty.
That's poop. The thingamajagger sounds way better.
Yeah, you're right. All right.
You already seen bro from earlier. He got the Fox right now. I actually had asked him to come through so he can check out the body work on here. and gave me a quote to get this thing cleaned up too. It's like, might as well. I think it's like starting to become a good looking truck. It's the Turborado, bruh. Turborado. You see that front fender?
Yeah.
That thing ain't got no clear. Alright boys, here we go. We are driving the truck home officially. Officially driving her home. So we'll see how this goes. I mean, we were driving it earlier, everything was all smooth. There's no leaks, so it's looking like everything is good. What is Cody about to do? Cody about to do donuts in this S15. Oh, Cody's doing donuts. So yeah, like I was saying, we ain't gonna do no pulls or anything. It's not on a full tune, so kind of want to get my tuner to go over it, get it all tuned up before we do any pulls or anything. So I'm gonna just cruise it home, roll these windows up, chill with my AC. There goes that full Cody. What's up, blood? What's up, blood? Alright man, so I'm almost home. Drove this thing for the last hour on the freeway. Car runs super cool on the freeway. It's about 190 right now. It was about 180 on the freeway. Man, so you guys remember I brought this truck to Cody pretty much stock for the most part. I had him do the true track on here, so did the posi rear end. Had him upgrade all the shocks to the Beltec suspension, so the Beltec shocks are on here. And with the new shocks on here, bruh, this thing feels like a totally new truck. Like, this thing handles hella good. We also, I also had the rack done. So brand new rack in here. There's no more play in the steering wheel. Like, this truck feels like a new truck right now. It's like crazy, but truck feels hella good. Rolls smooth, shifts good. Like, I have no complaints. Like, there was a lot of work done on here, and everything that went down just made this truck so much better. Like, this thing cruises and just take bumps and everything just hella good. Like, the suspension felt like junk before, but you know, replacing that rack and getting the shocks on just made like a world of a difference. This thing feels phenomenal now. Hopefully you guys are gonna be happy to see the Turborado back and all that. I don't even know what to say, man. Thanks like always. Love y'all for all the support you guys show. And yeah, we out.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about to do 80. Fuck the niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go